Hi, I'm Annika, and today I'm drawing Glimbert Laughterbump, the sunshine of Skrulleville. Glimbert laughs so loud that the flowers wake up and the clouds stop to listen. He reminds me that we don't have to wait for the sun. We can laugh it back ourselves. In this video, I'll show you how I built him up, layer by layer with color, light and a touch of laughter in every stroke. Welcome to Skrulleville. And there he is, Glimbert Laughterbump, ready to spread joy across Skrulleville. Every line reminds me why I love to create, because in the colors, there's always a little spark of sunlight, and in laughter, a hint of magic. Thank you for joining me today. Subscribe if you'd like to see more from Skrulleville, where imagination and joy always find their way.